What are the major laws in the 12 tables? Have you ever wondered how the foundation of Roman law shaped the course of European history? The 12 tables, created around 450 before Common Era, were Rome's first written legal code. This set of laws was crucial in addressing social tensions between the patricians and plebeians. It aimed to provide a clear legal framework for all citizens, ensuring fairness and transparency. The 12 tables consist of 12 sections, each focusing on different aspects of Roman life and law. A committee known as the Decemviri was responsible for formulating these laws. They worked to codify existing customary laws to make them accessible to everyone. Let's break down some of the major laws and provisions found in the 12 tables. The first 2 tables established procedures for courts and trials. They ensured that both parties in a dispute had the right to present their case before a magistrate. This was a significant step in creating a fair judicial process. The third table outlined how legal judgments were to be enforced. It made sure that the law was applied consistently, which is essential for maintaining order in society. The fourth table defined the authority and responsibilities of family heads, detailing their role in legal matters. Moving on to the fifth table, it dealt with issues related to guardianship and inheritance. This section provided rules for the distribution of property, which was vital for family stability. The sixth table covered laws related to property ownership and transfer. It emphasized that spoken contracts were legally binding, which encouraged trust in transactions. The seventh table addressed property disputes and road maintenance. It also clarified the legal status of fruit that falls onto neighboring properties. The eighth table established laws for personal injuries and property damage, allowing for both physical retaliation and monetary compensation. The ninth table focused on public law, prohibiting bribery and judicial corruption. It also stated that unconvicted individuals could not be executed, protecting citizens from wrongful punishment. The 10th table included regulations on religious practices, such as funeral rites and burial restrictions. The 11th table initially prohibited marriages between patricians and plebeians, although this restriction was later repealed. Finally, the 12th table covered recent legal rulings and contract violations. It emphasized the liability of slave owners for their slaves' actions. The 12 tables played a vital role in shaping the legal systems of Europe. By establishing a written code of law, they ensured that legal principles were consistent and accessible. This laid the groundwork for future legal developments, such as the Napoleonic Code. The influence of Roman law can still be seen in many modern civil law systems today, where principles of property rights and procedural fairness remain as central components. The legacy of the Roman Republic continues to impact European history in profound ways.